Imagine driving down the highway, hearing your engine reach 7,000 RPM, feeling the adrenaline that makes you feel alive. Aristotle said that all one needs is to have ammonia, but clearly he never had a car. Clearly he never understood how to truly be happy. Clearly he didn't have the Ferrari F40. Ferrari F40 is a twin-turbo V8 engine. It is Ferrari's magnum opus. This car has an insane backstory that has revolutionized the car industry and the car culture of the world, which we all live in. And because of that, after countless hours of research and many hours of hard work, I would want to tell you about this beautiful masterpiece that Ferrari has made. So I'm going to tell you its story, its own beautiful, amazing nature, and the significant, beautiful, revolutionary impact that this car has had on the entirety of